First question is in front of you. Question is asking find the zeros. Find the zeros. Zeros means which means value of x. Value of x. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Of the polynomial this 2x square plus 5x minus 12. It is a quadratic as you know. And verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficient. First, let's find zeros of the polynomial. We are solving 2x square plus 5x minus 12. This is what is a quadratic equation. Yes, in which a is 2, b is 5, and c is minus 12. C is minus 12. By using a splitting method, splitting method, we can find zeros of this quadratic equation. 2x square 24. Now here 2 to the 4th, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 3 is giving us 5x. So can I write 8, hold on, how much? Plus 8x minus 3x. Yes, minus 12. Here this is correct. There is no wrong. Now we will take common. 2x is a common. 2x is a common. X plus 4. We will write this which is in bracket, same here. Now how much? I think here we should write minus 3. Then we will get minus 3x. Minus 3 multiplies minus 3x. Minus plus minus 3 for the 12. Now all terms that are outside 2x minus 3 we will write in bracket this as you know we are taking this as a common. From this we can found it is equal to 0. 2x 0 plus 3. X came as a 3 upon 2 and here x will come as a minus 1. These are two zeros. Okay, otherwise you can say these are roots of this quadratic equation, or you can say these are two zeros of this quadratic equation. Clear? Now as you know, a is 2, b is 5, c is minus 12. Do you know alpha is equal to c upon a, this that? So always remember sum of alpha plus beta will give you what? Will give you here. Alpha is what? We will take this 1x as alpha and this one zeros as a beta. Now this is 3 upon 2 and this is how much? Minus 4. 2, 3 minus 4 to z. Minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. This is the sum of two zeros. Now product of alpha into beta. And you know that sum of this can be written as minus b upon a. You will get this is same. B value of b is minus 5. A is how much? 2. This and this is the same. You can use this. You can also use this. Okay. Now next. Product of alpha and beta. product of alpha into beta. Value for this one x is how much? 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Now value of this is minus 4. 2 to the 4. So it came minus 6. It came minus 6. You can use this, which is c upon a. You will get this the same. As you know, c is how much? Minus 12. And a is how much? 2. 2 6 are. So it came minus 6. You can see this and this is equal. So it will happen. You can meaning of this is you can use this also. You can use this also. It's your choice. So product of this and product of this is equal. Okay, there is no change. Okay. This is first question. Always remember this 1 0 we take as alpha, and this is second 0 we will take as a beta. Now next question, which is interesting, amazing. I think it will be visual to you. It is a visual to you. Now question is, this is complete question. This is what? It is a complete question. We can find quadratic polynomial. We don't have given quadratic polynomial, but zeros of zeros of that quadratic polynomial is given, which are minus 5 and 6 respectively. So here, can we say that zeros are sum and product? Sum and product. So the sum of 0 is how much? Minus 5. We can say this is this much, and product of this much. Clear? So remember, this is, and here alpha plus beta minus alpha into beta. From this you will get what? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And remember, here is x, here is x. From this you will get, remember this is sum of alpha and beta is a coefficient, and this is constant. Product is a constant. And just put now, just put, okay, this is minus and this is plus. Now you can see x square minus, this is a coefficient number, and here is what? X plus this. Now it as it, this is how much? Minus 5. This will become 5 plus, and this is how much? 6. So finally this is quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this and this. Sum of 1 0 is minus 5 and product of 1 0 is 6. So that quadratic polynomial is nothing but this. So that's how you will find quadratic polynomial and non-quadratic polynomial when you have given what? 2 zeros of that non-quadratic polynomial. Now next. Here, if the product of the zeros of the polynomial is how much? Of the polynomial is and is 4. Product, only product. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Let's see what happens. So if a polynomial is this minus ax minus 6, this is polynomial, and we have what given? Product of 1 0, which is 4, which is 4. We know this is product. Okay, we know that, and from this, where a is what? A, b is minus 6 and c is minus 6, isn't it? Minus 6. Now this is c upon a, isn't it? This is equal to c upon a. Product of alpha and beta is equal to c upon a. C is a constant, a is a coefficient number. C is how much? Minus 6. And a is a, only a. Only a. Now you have what value of this, which is 4 minus 6 upon a. From this you are getting value of a. 4a is equal to minus 6. You can write like that. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. A came as a minus 3 upon 2. This is answer. Clear? That's how you will find. You had given value of product of 1 0, which was 4, and we put value of this in this formula, which is a product of, and we already knew that product of alpha and beta is equal to c upon a. C upon a. From this we got value of a as a minus 3 upon 2. As a minus 3 upon 2. Clear? Clear? So minus 3 upon 2 is the correct answer. Now next question. Next question. This is computation. What is it asking? What is it asking? It is saying that if one zero of this polynomial is reciprocal. So let's say 10 is what? X. So second, yes, 10. Second 0 will be reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of this would be 1 upon x. This is the reciprocal of this. It's a reciprocal of the other. Find the value of a. Our question is to find value of a from this polynomial. From this polynomial. Now, here we can see this. Okay, this is equal to what? We know that a is what? A square plus 9. B is what? 13. C is what? 6a. Isn't it? Yes. This is equal to this. So C is 6a and A is a. So here you got only 6. Only 6. So 10 is a 6. Okay, 10 is how much? 6. So hold on. Here 10 is how much? X. Multiply 1 upon x. C is how much? 6a. And A is how much? A square plus 9. Okay, this will cut. A square plus 9 is equal to 6a. From this we will get value of a. Value of a. Now A square and 6a minus 9. So here we are getting a quadratic equation. Minus 6a plus 9 is equal to this much. A square minus 6a plus 9 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So here a square minus 3a minus 3a plus 9. Okay. Here a can be taken as common. A minus 3. A minus 3. If we take here minus 3, then 3a minus plus 3 3 is 9. It is correct. Now this is equal to this and this is equal to this. From this, as you can see, a came as a 3. So finally we got a as a 3, like that. Now next question. Next question I am going to write. So here question is saying find a quadratic polynomial. You don't have given quadratic polynomial, but you have given zeros of that quadratic polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as this sum and product of its zero respectively. Sum of one zero is 1 upon 4. Sum of another zero is minus 1. Is how much? Minus 1. Now here sum of this is how much? 1 upon 4. Product of this is how much? Minus 1. Clear? As we know, x square minus this is coefficient number and plus this is what? Constant number. You are right. It is equal to 0. We know value of this and value of this. We will put. So value of this is how much? And here x. This is plus and this is minus 1 is equal to 0. So finally we got this. We got this. Okay. Even you can solve it further like that. Like that. 4x square minus 1 minus x, you can say 4 0. 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is quadratic polynomial whose 0 are 1 upon 4 and minus 1. Okay, next. Next question. Next is what? Under root of 2. Next 0 is 1 upon 3. In that case, what will you do? Just assume that this is alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 3. Clear? Now x square, okay. X square alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, clear, is equal to 0. Now value of this is root 2x. Root 2x plus value of this is how much? 1 upon 3 is equal to 0. Even you can simplify it further. As you know, 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That's it. So this is a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are root 2 and 1 upon 3. Clear? Now next question. You have given these options. Which one is a polynomial? So here, if exponents would not be whole, then we will say that polynomial is not a polynomial. That given algebraic expression is not polynomial. If any variable should be in under root or in place of a denominator, then we will say directly what that algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So let's start from this. Here you can see this variable is in under root, so that's why this is not polynomial. Here this is rational, it is not whole, that's why this is not. Here this is in under root and this is in under root, that's why. Here x is not in under root, 2 is in under root, so coefficient numbers can be in under root. Okay, so x is not in under root and here this is also in not under root, so that's why this is a polynomial. Clear? That's why. Next question, I am going to erase it. Next question, which is in front of you. Now this is the next question. Next question is asking which one is not, which one is not polynomial. So here it is a polynomial. It is also polynomial, isn't it? Which one? So I think it is not polynomial because of x came in place of a denominator. That's why this is a polynomial. Okay. Why this is not a polynomial? Because x came in place of a denominator. That's why. You are feeling that it is very easy. So hold on. What happened? This is a 2 and this is x. Now you tell me which one is not polynomial. So you can see this is polynomial because here is a 2, here is x. So this is not a polynomial because of x is in place of a denominator. That's why. Now next question. Next question. This is complete question. It is telling you if the sum of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, this is quadratic polynomial, sum of the zeros of this quadratic polynomial is equal to the product of its zero, then value of k you have to find. So here sum of the zeros, it means this, hold on, polynomial is what? K x square plus 2x plus 3k, in which a is a k, b is a 2 and c is a 3k, not only 3. Now sum of the zero, this is equal to some product of its zero. So this hold on, it is saying value of this, value of x is how much? Let's say 1 upon 2, then value of this would be same 1 upon 2. It happens when discriminant is equal to 0, then it happens. Now here, as you know, it is equal to minus b upon a, isn't it? Yes, and it is equal to c upon a. Here one point I want you to realize that when we write this, then you can realize one thing. What here? Here minus is coming. Why? Because of here we are taking this, and here minus is coming. It means here is minus. That's why. And here we are not taking minus because of here is a plus. That's why. Clear? So this is a coefficient number, but this is a constant number. That's why we here we can write say upon a. Clear? Now b, value of b is -2, a k, c 3k, a k. From this we are getting what? Value of a k -2k, 3k square. Value. Okay. What else? -2k 3 upon k square. This will cut. Again we are getting what? -2 is equal to 3k. And now k came as a -2 upon 3. K came as a -2 upon 3. So where is this? This. So finally k came as a -2 upon 3. That's how you will find. Now next question. Next question is what? This is whole question, and options are 3, -3, 12, d. D is -12. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then this upon this will be equal to. We know what is the value of a. So here we will use what? A splitting method. We will find the zeros of this polynomial. Then we will add both like that. Now, one thing you can just take that, okay, and you have a fraction. Here we are getting this. Otherwise, you can say beta plus alpha. Okay, now, as of now, A is 1, B is 6, and C is 2. C is 2. Now, what will happen? Sum of this is what? Minus B upon A. Remember this. So value of this would be how much? -6 upon 1. So this is how much? Minus 6. This is how much? Minus 6. Clear? Now what is? This C upon A. C upon A. C is how much? 2 upon 1. So finally we cancel 2. Now we can put value of this in this. Value of this in this. Okay. So this is minus 6 and this is 2. 2 3 is 6. So finally we got 3. So this is equal to this. Minus 3 is where? This. This is answer. Okay, this is answer. Now next question. Next question. This is complete question. You have given a polynomial. Let's start from this polynomial. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. S is what? Variable. In this case, S is variable. Verify. Find the zeros. So to find zeros, as we know, 4s square minus 2s plus 1. We are finding what? Zeros of this polynomial. Now we will take 2 common, 2s common, okay? 2s square minus 1, isn't it? Not a square, 2s1. 2s minus 1. Here we will put, I think, minus 1, okay? Then, here you can see, outside terms can be written in bracket. This is the same. We will take, okay, this happened. Both are same. Both are same. S came as a 1 upon 2. Here same. S came 1 upon 2. Clear? Now what else? Find the relationships between these zeros. We know that we will consider this as alpha and this as a beta. One zero as a alpha, second zero as a beta. Clear? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. 1 plus 2 plus this 1 plus 2. You will get 2 plus 2. 4 upon 2. 2. So this came this much. Value of this came 2. Okay. Now what about this? Product of alpha and beta. Product of two zeros. Product of two zeros. Now 1 upon 2 multiple 1 upon 2. alpha into beta 1 upon 4. This is what product of two zeros. Now we can find this by doing like that. Minus b upon a. Here a is b is minus 4, b is minus 4, and a is 4. A is 4. What does that mean? Minus b upon a. What happened? 2. So I think it should be 4, isn't it? It should be 4. Then it should be 4. Yes. Now we have 4s square. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then what is happening? What is happening? Or you can say alpha into beta is c upon a, where c is 1 and a is 4. A is 4. This is correct answer. This is correct answer. And now this was minus 4, so that's why, and minus 4. Okay, that's why this will come only 1. Okay, this is correct answer. So we have found what zeros of this polynomial, and we saw that we found the relationship between the zeros and coefficients, this and that. Next question. Next question is what? Read this question. You have given 4 options. 4 options. What is it? What is it telling you? If this and this are zeros of the polynomial, this, then value of this would be how much? Would be how much? So can we say that a is a 1 and c is a minus 1? Minus 1. So b would be how much? B would be 0. B would be 0. Clear? Now you can find this minus b upon c, minus b upon a. This is 0 and a is 1. You will get 0. You will get how much? 0. Even you can find the product of this zero. C upon A. C is minus 1. C is minus 1 and A is 1. You are getting how much? Only minus 1. Clear? Yes. So answer would be this. Answer would be this. Because of we want to find this and we have found this. This is equal to 0. Next question. This is complete question. It is asking if this and this are the zeros of the polynomial. Polynomial is given this, then this will be equal to this. So polynomial is what? 4x square minus 3x minus 3x minus 7, in which A is 4, B is minus 3, C is minus 7. C is minus 7. Clear? What else we can found? Okay, simplify this. As we know, alpha into beta. Okay, beta plus what I am doing? 1 plus alpha, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta will give you alpha into beta plus alpha. Clear? Now let's find this value and this value. As we know, this is equal to minus b upon a. B is how much? Minus 3. So this will become 3. A is how much? 4. A is 4. Clear? Product of these zeros would be C upon A. C is minus 7 upon A is how much? 4. So finally you can put the value of this in this. So you will get, after putting value of h, you will get how much? 3 upon 4 and minus 7 upon 4. Simplify it. 3 upon 4 multiple 4 upon minus 7. You are getting how much? 3 upon minus 7. This will be answer. So where is 3 upon minus 7? 3 upon minus 7, yes. Yes. No. Yes, hold on. Where were we? this. If you take this, and A is how much? And this. Okay, minus 7. What is happening? Minus B upon A, and A is minus B upon C, minus B upon C. So 3 upon minus 7 it is equal. Okay, if we take this minus this, then something will happen. This and this will cut. Then we will have minus 3 upon 7, like that. Then clear? So we did this much questions. We did this much questions. Next question I would like to take. Next question. Now next question based on coordinate geometry. Next question based on coordinate geometry. First is find this is complication. This is complication, and we know what is the formula for finding between distance between two coordinates. Just use this is just a Pythagoras theorem, but we have a coordinate. That's why something will be slightly will be different. X square minus x1 square plus y square minus y1 square. This is the formula of finding the distance between two coordinates. Clear? Two coordinates. Just use this formula to find on this in this question. As you know, first coordinate is what? A is 7, 13. B is 10, 9. Clear? Now we know x1 is 7. x2 is 10, y1 is 13, y2 is 9. Am I correct? Yes. Distance between this A and B. We have coordinates. Okay, we have coordinates. Now, AB is equal to x2 10 minus 7 is n square plus y2 9 minus 13 9 minus 13 raised to the power 2 AB now 3 and here minus 4 AB clear AB 3 3 is 9 plus 16 AB is equal to 25. Now AB distance between AB came as a 5 units. 5 units. Here we don't write centimeters. 5 units. because of it is equation based on coordinate geometry. That's okay. This is answer. 5 units. 5 units, which means 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. 1 unit. This 2 unit, like that. 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. Okay. Now next question. Next question. Next question. Coordinates are what? P 6 comma minus 6, and you have given origin. Origin. Okay. Origin, which means 0 comma 0. X would be 0 and y would be 0. It is the meaning of a origin, which is on Cartesian plane. Now this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. That's how we will take. So P, and that's this is O. Okay. Between distance between OP. 0 minus 6 raised to the power of square. Okay. Plus 0 minus 6. Clear? Clear? I think you should be clear. Now 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Again 6 6 are 36. 6 3 3 6 7. Now you can write. I think it can be written as 2 2 is 4. 4 3 3 is 9. Even we can do like that. 2 3 is 6. Yes. 18. Yes. 2 9. 3. Okay. Yes. So 3 under root of 8. 3 3 is 9. 9 8 is 22. This much units. Now you are clear. 3 point something something. No, not 3 point something something. 3 multiple 2 point something something. It means 3 2 is 6. You have 6.00 something something units. Clear? This is the meaning of this. This is not too much number. Are you clear about this?